I said give it back,
No.
bro. Give it back. Oh, don't you dare. Oh, ha ha. You think just because you throw away my instrument that I can't make that sound?
Trick or treat!
Trick.
Huh?
Here's a candy with a razor in it.
Aw, man. Oh, it's literally a razor scooter.
Trick now. That trick was a real treat. Thanks, guys.
Does anybody want to play some Squid Games for free bundle prizes?
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the bill and Coolbirds.
We're beating his ass for sure!
What's to do for this? You guys, who wants to do for this? Yeah. You, add me. Add me.
Bye, have a great time.
Hey, bro, this recommended.
Catch it. Oh my god.
You don't want to mess with the Enderman. No, 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 no. 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 No, 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 no.
I want the drugs! Where's the drugs? Where's the drugs? Where's the drugs?
Bring any food, bro? Yeah, bro, it's just downstairs.
Downstairs.
Bro, just go upstairs with me, please, bro. No. Oh, there's the fridge. Let me go. I found it. Look at me now. You have me.
I gave you a comedic boy!
Chill, bro. I got you.
Get him!
3, 2, 1.
Ouch. Ouch. I hit my head. Wait! Let me hit my dance real quick. I'm hitting the wall. I'm hitting the wall.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the sting zone with the Tarantula Hawk.
Go for it.
1, 2, here we go. 3.
Yo, bro, are you lost? You lost, bro? You lost? Bro, you lost? What? Can you talk? Bro.
Okay, so babies, stay right here, and I going over there. I'll be back in 1 minute. Let me see your toes. Can I see it? ¡De la puta madre! ¿Qué se están haciendo? ¡Eres pinche pendejo! What are you doing? You grounded!
What the hell, man? You think just because you're popular, you can just bump into people? I bet. Rattle them up, boys. Boys, let's teach this little frog a lesson of what happens when he when he touches me.
Benny Jr., get me a beer!
Okay. Here you go, Daddy.
Don't call me that.
Can I play on the arcade, Daddy?
Really? After all I do for you, you have the audacity to ask me to play on the arcade machine? So no, you can't play on the arcade machine.
Hooray!
Finish him!
You're fucking done! No, I'm not!
But keep crying, little Timmy.
You know what I'm doing?
Like, imagine crying in a virtual game. Couldn't be me.
Oh, I caught something. I got a rocket. What'd you get?
Nice. I got an MRE packet.
Oh, W. What did you get?
I got a crossbow.
Oh, that's sick. Billy, what did you get?
Grenade!
For Christmas!
Christmas!
So, it's really nice being on a ski. What the f?
You got school. You gotta wake up, man. You got school in the morning.
No! What the f?
Man, you gotta go to school. It's alright. I know how you feel. No, you gotta go to school. Come on.
Hey, give it back! Ah! I know you're crushing my suggestion. I just did not just throw my fucking toy down the sewer!
The next door living in the haunted mansion.
Better learn my name, cause it's Ash. Any picture.
What the heck, all of it? How did you die?
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. chicken, banana, banana, banana.
2, 1, go.
Scared